So once you have Loom installed on your web browser, you'll notice you've got a little button in the toolbar area. If you click that, it'll bring up a window of options. You can either record the screen and the camera or the screen only. I'll leave it on screen only for the moment, in which case you should see a little picture of me in the bottom left. And you can either choose the full desktop or the current tab you are on. That's completely up to you. Then you click screen recording, start recording, and it brings up a screen which allows you to choose which screen you want to record. I suppose if you've got multiple monitors, maybe you'll see multiple screens here. I think I only ever see the one. So click that and click share. It gives you a little countdown. And then you know when you can begin. And I won't do much here. I'll just scroll around this page a little, highlight some text. Now I'll be talking over the video. And then when you've finished recording, go back up to the browser bar and simply click it again. And what it'll do then, it'll open up into a new tab on the unique link for that video. So you can either copy that link directly there. In fact, I think it's already put it into your copy buffer, so you could just Control V and paste it. But if you want to be old school, grab the link from there and you can email it to whoever you want. Now, if what you're doing is, it's got some privacy or personal issues, maybe you're screencasting a sales spreadsheet with lots of email addresses and stuff on, we don't want that to be public. So of the options that are here, the most useful one, I think, is that add password here. So just click add password, drop in whatever you want. You got to put it in there twice, so that then if you sent somebody that link, you would have to give them the password as well. And there we go. It is that straightforward.